Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Academy. In this video we're going to solve an interesting system of equation. We have 1 over x plus 1 over y equals 9 and 1 over cube root of x plus 1 over cube root of y times 1 plus 1 over cube root of x times 1 plus 1 over cube root of y equals 18. In the first step we can use this algebraic identity. A plus b plus c all to the power 3 equals a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed plus 3 times a plus b times b plus c times a plus c. If we put a equals 1 over cube root of x, b equals 1 over cube root of y, and c equals 1, we are going to get 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 plus 3 times over cube root of x plus 1 times 1 over cube root of x plus 1 over cube root of y times 1 over cube root of y plus 1 equals 1 over cube root of x plus 1 over cube root of y plus 1 all to the power 3. 1 over x plus 1 over y. From the first equation we can write 1 over x plus 1 over y equals 9, and the multiplication of these three parentheses equals 18. 3 times 18 plus 10 equals 64. Now we need to cube root of both sides of this equation. So we are going to get 1 over cube root of x plus 1 over cube root of y plus 1 equals 4. We can move 1 to right hand side, and the first equation and this equation are our new equations to solve. For solving this equation, we can use change variable methods. We put a equals 1 over cube root of x and b equals 1 over cube root of y. Also, 1 over x becomes a cube and 1 over y becomes b cube. So this system of equations becomes a cube plus b cube equals 9 and a plus b equals 3. Now we need to solve this system of equation. We can use this algebraic identity. A plus b to the power 3 equals a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab times a plus b. A plus b equals 3 and a cube plus b cube equals 9 and a plus b equals 3. So ab is going to be 2 and a equals 2 over b. In this equation, by replacing b by 2 over a, we get a plus 2 over a equals 3. By multiplying both sides by a, we're going to get a squared plus 2 equals 3 times a. By solving this quadratic equation, a equals 1 and 2. If we replace a by 1, b becomes 2. And if we replace a by 2, b becomes 1. So now we need replace a by 1 and b by 2. 1 over cube root of x equals 1. To find the value of x, we need to raise both sides to the power 3. 1 over x it becomes 1, so x becomes 1. Also, in this equation, 1 over cube root of y equals 2, and by raising both sides to the power 3, we get 1 over y equals 8. so y becomes 1 over 8. In the final step, we need to replace a by 2 and b by 1. So we're going to get x equals 1 over 8 and y becomes 1.